Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stepping away from modern structures to tackle a massive piece of history. I tried to rebuild the Basilica of Volubilis. Located in the fertile plains near Meknes, Morocco, this city is known locally as Walili. The name is actually quite poetic. It's believed to come from the Amazigh word for the wild oleander flower that still grows in abundance around the valley. Volubilis was once a thriving Roman colonial capital and a major outpost of the empire's African frontier. Founded in the 3rd century BCE, the city became famous for its remarkably preserved mosaics and grand public buildings, including the majestic basilica that served as the heart of its legal and social life. Now, building a historical site like this is very different from modeling a modern house. The biggest hurdle was the lack of visual data. There isn't a single photograph or complete image reference of what this building looked like in its prime. Because we only have ruins today, I had to work backwards from floor plans and fallen columns. Without a full image to follow, every archway and roof height required a lot of research into Roman architectural logic. You're essentially solving a 2,000-year-old puzzle in 3D, guessing how the stones fit together and how the space would have felt thousands of years ago. One detail you'll notice is the intricate mosaic work covering the floors and the walls. While Volubilis is world famous for its archaeological remains, all the specific mosaic designs I used in this reconstruction come entirely from my imagination. Now, let's take a look.